Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to go ahead and pressure test the radiator on our 78 Chevy C50 here. And I got a 14-piece cooling system pressure test kit right here. And this is Auto Wanderer tool. There's many different brands and types, but they're pretty much all the same, do the same thing. This is just the one that I'm using for today. But I'll show you how to go ahead and set it up, find the right radiator cap to pressure test this, and go from there. So let's go ahead and open this up and get in there. All right, so we have a 10-pound radiator cap, and when you're doing this, you want to make sure that it's cooled down. Obviously, you don't want to open this if if it's been hot, you'll get burned. So you want to do this test while it's cool. And like I said, there's our 10-pound right there. And we'll come down here. Let's go ahead and open the kit up. And there we go. So you can see there's all different types. Oh, there's the manual. There's all different types of caps and stuff that you can use for testing. And yeah, you even have the thermometer in here. Go ahead and take that off. And that'll read up to 200 degrees. So, all right, put that back in there. All right, so we have the needle thermometer in here. We have the handheld pump set. And this that's how you pump it up. And on the end here, here's your pressure relief right there. And then for attaching it so they snap in, so it makes a secure fit. In the 2-spot here, this is for your medium truck, GM, Cadillac, etc. 3 right here, that's for light truck, Benz, Ford, JIS 123 series, GM, Buick, Jeep. That's what you use that one for. And then in the number 4 spot here is your Puget, Chrysler, Acura, GM, Nova, Spectrum, Sprint, JIS 124 series, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Mazda, Toyota, Subaru, Infiniti, Geo, Suzuki, Isuzu, and Lexus. And that's your number 4. And then the 5 is the JIS 125 series. That's for like your Hondas, Toyotas, Suzukis, and Mitsubishis. And these ones here, this is meant for like Volvo, Saabs, Audis, Citroens, Renault, Fiat, Puget, Alfa, Jeep, and Sterling. Your number 8 here, that's for Volkswagen, Vento, T4, Passat, 96, and Golf. And where is, all right, the number 9 here. The number 9 is used for Audi A4, A5s, A6s, BMW 345, Volkswagen Passat, 97 to 2002. And the number 10 here, that's BMW. And your number 11 here, that's for Audi and Volkswagen. The 12, that's for your Ford, International, GM, Rover. And then your 13 here, that's for the Mercedes-Benz. So that's everything that's in here. And looks like we're going to be using the number 3, which is the light truck, just because the size. So that's what's going to match up and work for this. Even though this is considered a medium truck, You know, that's obviously bigger, but this is what the type of radiator we have in here. So let's go ahead and see if this fits. And we'll put that in there. Yep, and that does fit. Hey, what are you chickens doing, huh? How fluffy that one is. I'm gonna have to set the camera down for a second. Alright, so that's on there nice and secure. So now all we're going to do is grab our pump here and take this, and this should snap right on. You're going to pull up a little bit. Kind of tough to do this one hand. There we go. Alright, so that's on there now. Okay, so it's all hooked up now. And what we're going to do now, we're going to want to pump this up between 15 and 20 psi on there, and don't go above 20. You don't want to do that. It's not recommended. So I'm going to actually do mine at 15. So let me go ahead and set this up and we'll get that going. All right, so we got our pump. Okay, we're at 15. Now what you want to do, you want to observe it for 2 minutes. And as long as this isn't falling down, there's no major leaks. So we'll go ahead and wait the 2 minutes. Alright, so here we are 2 minutes later. And it's not falling. It's roughly still around 15. So this is still good. We don't have any major issues. Yeah, now we're going to release the air. And all you're doing is pressing this button right here. That's your pressure relief. Now you can go ahead and pull up on this, and that disconnects. So now we can go ahead and take this cap off. There we go. Alright, so, alright, that's back in there. Now we can go ahead and throw our radiator cap back on here. Alright, so that's on there good. Alright, so you see how simple that is? And that's just a quick, pressure test of your radiator. And you just got to match up the caps and make sure you got the right one. Got some chickens coming out of here. What do you guys want, huh? But, alright, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for this. And once again, as always, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.